Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Shine's store reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of the site, and it is an online site which is based in United States that deals with scented candles. And you can take a look at the amazing pictures of these candles, and these scented candles are the perfect gift set for women Valentine's Day gift. So you can take a look at the scented candles along with the prices, which are too good to be true. Now guys, talking about the payment information, let's take a look at the payment info. So at the bottom of the web page, you can take a look that the modes of payment which are available on the site are Amex, Apple Pay, JCB, MasterCard, Maestro, EuroPay, etc. And talking about the shipping policy, let's take a look at the shipping policy of the site. So this is the shipping policy guys, and here they have mentioned that the shipping duration will take around 7 to 14 days, but the international shipping duration will take around 15 to 30 business days. So this is the shipping information. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information guys, this domain name was created on 15th of November 2019. So guys, this site is more than a year old website which defines its legitimacy. And to confirm its legitimacy, let's check out the About Us information. For that, you need to visit the menu option button and you will get the About Us page. So here they have provided limited information, which is a negative sign guys. They have not provided the complete information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info. Apart from that, they have not provided information related to offering. So this is a negative sign. Anyways, let's move on to the contact details of the site. Here is the contact us page, but guys, they have not provided the contact details including official address, contact number and email in the contact us page, which is a negative sign and one of the biggest drawbacks of the site. Now talking about the social media presence. So let's check out the social media presence of the site. But guys, we are not able to find a single social media icon on the site. It means that the site has no social media presence at all, which is again a negative sign. Now talking about the return policy of this site, let's check out the return or refund policy. For that, you need to visit the refund policy section, and you can see they have mentioned that they have 30-day return policy. It means that you have 30 days after receiving your item to request a return. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. Apart from that, they have also mentioned the email address to start a return. You can connect with them via this email address. And here you can read the information related to exceptions and non-returnable items, exchanges and refunds. And guys, talking about Shine's store reviews, we are not able to find customer reviews on the official website. But yes, we have found positive customer reviews about the site on the internet and 4.4 rating out of 5. One of the customers said, beautifully packaged, smells are great, will definitely order again, maybe even a few as gifts if I can part with them. So guys, most of the customers have posted positive comments about the products that the website is offering, which is a positive sign. Apart from that guys, this site is popular and the site has good trustworthiness score on the internet, which is a positive sign. And guys, according to the details, we can say that this website appears to be legit. And if you want to give it a try, if you want to purchase these scented candles, then you need to explore the entire information at your end guys. because there are some loopholes as well, like absence of, or you can say unavailability of company's information in about us page, incomplete contact us details. They have only mentioned the query form to connect with the customer representatives, and zero social media presence, zero security measures. So these are the loopholes that makes a confusion as well. So it's totally up to you. The website appears to be legit, but guys, be aware of the entire factors, and I request you all to share your experience with this website as well, so that other customers can avail the benefits before making any online purchase. Guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. Guys, your comments are valuable for us. It will give benefit to other customers while investing their valuable money. So do comment, guys, and hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for giving your precious time, guys. Have a good day.